Hello, this is Mark Antonio Pareño, Project Zero Hunger continues to keep mountains in Asia, Europe, America, whole mountains simply mountains around the world has mountains has a lot of trees, non-bearing trees and non-bearing plants. If we replace, we will only replace those non-bearing trees and non-bearing plants with fruit-bearing trees and vegetable-bearing plants. Imagine Asia, all mountains in Asia, trees, there's non-bearing trees will be replaced by fruit-bearing and vegetable-bearing plants and trees. Imagine Europe, America, the very huge continents, Asia, Australia, and other parts of the world. Imagine the mass production of fruits and vegetables. Imagine how pigs, how chickens, and how cows can be more and more healthy, as well as humans. There will be their sickness will be almost 90 to 100% serious sickness. For we all know the nutrients of which we can gain upon fruits and veggies. It's almost or simply complete. That also that meat production will increase, and we can also clone cows, pigs, and chicken. We can massively clone them, and because of massive production of fruits and veggies, we can exaggerate now, or simply it will exaggerate, or we can purposely exaggerate their sizes, swines. Imagine meat production will increase. Your favorite bacon, pork chops, stew, and barbecues in real province with lechon, etc. Not only that, fruit bearing and vegetable bearing plants and trees can replace, special trees can replace those trees that are used in lumber. Old fruit bearing trees can be used as good lumber. Not only that, but to encourage people to plant more and more trees and fight global warming itself, and eventually will heal the ozone layer. It's not impossible, for they will produce a lot of oxygen. And people will plant more, for it will do the good. Lumber we can we can now legalize lumber, because there will be so much lots of fruit bearing trees. So when it becomes old, it's good for lumber. It will be vigorous, because mountains in Asia are huge, in America and Europe, Israel, etc. When it gets old, it's lumber. Okay. Again, this has been Mark Antonio Pareño from Clan Pareño in Indonesia. Makalinaw, Makalinaw, Caldera Leyte, Quezon, Negros Bacolod, Iloilo. So, saying bye guys, love you guys. I'm here now at General Algas Cavite, Barangay LSS, Block 3, Lot 21, Manila, Philippines. Uh, those who view this video, simply just spread the news, the message, tell it to your friends, your classmates, your teachers, instructors, deans, until it reaches the the person or agency that can help this project for us to establish. Okay, this is been Marlon Tanito. Buwan. God bless.